What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video we have Amazon's best deals of the week. Let's get right into the video. Starting the video off with the new Amazon haul in beta. Now these items must go. They're all 40% off. Every single item here 40% off. I am going to leave a link in the description. Click that link. It'll take you directly to this page. You can have a look at all these items yourself. Some great deals here. Do not miss out. And let me just quickly mention, when you do check out with a certain item, the 40% is applied at checkout. Orders over $25 is free shipping. And starting the video off, this time from eTech City, we have their smart scale. What's nice about this scale, you can link it right up to the app. Pretty accurate here. Has your weight, your BMI, your body fat. And today we have a limited time deal. You can pick it up for $19.88. A definite must-buy in my opinion, we have a 6-pack of magnetic cable clips. Now these are perfect for under-the-desk cable management. Keep them by your nightstand so your chargers don't fall on the floor. Today we have a nice 40% off coupon. Just click this coupon code right here and that will get the price down to $8.63. And check out this deal now from Eufy. We have their security cameras, the S220. Now these are pretty much the same cameras they had at Costco, a 3-pack. These are only $169.99, a 43% savings. That's awesome. $169.99. If you need a 4-pack, they have that as well. And right here we have the 4-pack of Eufy security cameras, the S220. Now these are the lowest price in 30 days from $399 all the way down to $229.99. And next up from Helix, we have their 28-ounce Vortex blender bottle. Now we've seen plenty of videos on Instagram and TikTok where people are shaking up peanut butter with this blender bottle. It works amazing. The reviews speak for themselves. $23.95. A limited time deal, this time from Duracell. We have their copper AA batteries, and today we get a 28 count. Now these are 40% off. These are a limited time deal for $15.31. Another great limited time deal, this time from Crock-Pot. We have their 7-quart manual slow cooker. This is a great time to pick it up because it is stainless steel, a 40% savings today. You can grab this right now for $29.99. And next up from Lego, we have the Minecraft The Sword Outpost. Now this is great for the ages of 8+, has 427 pieces. This is a great discount today, a 32% savings. You can pick it up right now for $30.99. And before I forget, friends, we are announcing a new giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I'm probably going to announce it in maybe around the 10-minute mark, maybe the 5-minute mark. I'm not too sure, but stay tuned for that. Right in front of us, we have the Amazon Fire HD. This is the 10-inch tablet for our little ones, a limited time deal as well for $139.99. Don't forget, friends, this does qualify for a 20% trade-in as well. If you missed out on the KitchenAid deal at Costco, you can grab these right here. These soft silicone pot holders, 7-inch by 9-inch. We have multiple colors available, 22% savings at $9.90. And here we have the Pro Salad Splitter from Farberware. Super easy to use. It does have a 6.6 quart capacity. Also has a nice built-in draining system. Very nice, has that one-touch brake. A limited time deal for $17.49. And now from DeWalt, we have their drill bit set. These are 21 pieces in total. These are great for plastic, wood, and metal. Also a limited time deal. When these go on sale, that's the time when I pick them up. I'm always losing drill bits left and right. This is a great price at $19.97. A great time to pick up a micro SD card, this time from Samsung. We have their 1TB Pro Plus. This is a great deal, 33% savings at $79.99. An indoor garden with an LED grow light, this time from AeroGarden. We have their Bounty Basic. Currently, we're looking at their 9-pod, another limited time deal as well. This is a great discount at 50% off, bringing the price down to $90 even. And when it comes to kitchen appliances, everyone knows that Breville is one of the best. Right in front of us, we do have their Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. If you're looking for a different type of convection oven, make sure you watch till the end of the video because we have 2 or 3 of them from Breville. This one is their Pro version, a great deal at a limited time deal for $319.95. And great for our little ones at home, a limited time deal. Once again, 29% off from Crazy Art. We have their washable paint bulk pack here. So we get a 10 count. Each bottle is 8 ounces. This is a great buy for $12.99. Another great buy from Crazy Art, we have their Retro Magno Doodle. This is their classic magnetic drawing board, perfect for the ages of 3+. I definitely have to pick up one of these for my little one at home. A limited time deal, 20% savings for $11.19. And next up from KitchenAid, we have their expandable stainless steel colander. Now this is one size. I like these type of colanders. These are great to put right over your sink and you expand the arms. A limited time deal, 50% savings at $18.99. Another great item from KitchenAid, we have their glass surface digital scale. Now these are perfect whether you like to bake or whether you're counting your macros. A great discount at 44% savings, $14.99. Another great deal from Breville, we have their mini smart oven. Now this oven is smart, compact. It's not an air fryer, it's a smart oven. I love it, it's nice, it's compact. Great discount today at $127.95. And I do have one more from Breville for you. This one is just a regular smart oven air fryer. Now the first one we saw was a pro version. This is just a regular version, 26% savings, which is $90 off the price, bringing it down to $259.99. And like always, friends, if you see something you like, pause the video, click the link in the description because these deals do not last. I try to post the best deals I can find and they're not guaranteed to last. They do sell out. Right in front of us, we have the Little Trees Vanilla Air Pride Fresheners, a pack of 24, 50% off basically at $12.24. Another great discount from Farberware, we have our 10-inch professional masher. This is great for mashing up mashed potatoes, tuna fish, meat, tomatoes, you name it. This does a great job whether you're making chili at home or whether you're making dog food. A limited time deal, $6.95. Check out this awesome deal from VacMaster. We have their blue line. This is their 12-gallon, 5-horsepower shop vac. But what's interesting about this shop vac, it pulls apart and you can turn it into a blower. Pretty awesome. So you can blow out the garage, you can blow your leaves. 36% savings today, $68.64. Our first Craftsman product for today's video, we have their ratcheting screwdriver. Now it does have 2-inch double-ended bits that are included. We have 6 of them in total. These are pretty nice. Look at this deal, 35% off. It's only $14.99. A pretty awesome deal this time from Hanes. We have their heavyweight fleece hoodies. Now these are cotton. We have sizes small all the way up to 3XL. Check out this price, only $10 a hoodie. Now we do have a couple of different options to choose from. We have the light steel and we also have the black available for $10. Either or, your choice. And here we have the Honest Baby 10-pack of organic cotton baby terry washcloths. Now these are awesome, 49% off. You can't go wrong with these, only $10.10. Definitely pick these up. And the moment you've all been waiting for, announcing the new giveaway. We have the NutriBullet Ultra Deluxe Single Serve Blender and the giveaway is starting right now. The link will be in the comments section to enter the giveaway and it's completely free to enter. And this is my way of saying thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for the likes, the comments, and sharing my videos. I very much appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. So how exactly do we enter this giveaway? Well, friends, it's super simple to enter. I am going to leave a link in the description and a link in the comments section. Click either one of those links and this page will pop up. Once the page pops up, at the bottom, there's 4 different ways to enter. Super easy. You can visit me here on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. You get 3 entries. The second way is if you have Instagram, follow me over on Instagram. The third way is like this photo on Instagram. You get an additional entry. And the fourth way is I am going to put up a secret code on my Amazon videos in the month of April, including this one today. So at some point in this video, I am going to put up a secret code. Grab that code, punch it in where it says enter the secret code, and you get an additional 3 entries. It's that simple. If you enter all 4 different ways, you do increase the chances of winning by a lot. So there it is. Very simple, friends. Enter the giveaway. Links will be in the description. Link will be in the comment section. Let's get on with the video. And back to the video, here we have the Dell 27-inch monitor. It's 4K, so it's 3840 by 2160, an IPS display that's ultra slim. This is a great monitor. It does have a good price as well for $199, a 26% savings. That's $70 off the price. Now keep in mind, friends, this does have a 60 Hz refresh rate. And next up, a great discount from Brooks, and I do love Brooks. We have the Men's Go 16. These are their neutral running shoes. These are also great walking shoes. Check out that price. A nice $30 savings at $109.95. And check out this new little kitchen gadget. This time we have the Draco Wave. Now this is a fun little microwave cleaner. All you gotta do is add water and vinegar and just pop it right into your microwave and you are good to go. We also have a nice 50% off coupon code. Click this coupon code and that will get the price down to $7.50. And today we have an awesome discount on the Hydro Flask. Now these are the 40-ounce tumblers. If you're tired of your Stanley tumbler falling over, spilling out, try these from Hydro Flask. They work fantastic. 38% savings from $40 all the way down to $24.71. A great time to upgrade your hard drive, whether it's a desktop, laptop, or even PS5 from Crucial. We have their 2TB hard drive, and it does have that heat sink. Check out that price, $210 all the way down to $154 even. So we've often seen the Delta bookcases. In my Costco video, we saw the dinosaur, we saw the unicorn, but here on Amazon, we have the Delta tree bookcase. Check this out. We have a $50 coupon. Just click this coupon code right there. That's going to get the price down to $80. Not bad at all. And this is definitely a great tool to have around the household. Leave it in a 5-gallon bucket of water by the garage door. Add a little car soap and you are good to go. Anyone can grab it when they come home or when they're leaving, keeping their windshield clean all year long. Now this squeegee does have a nice extension handle up to 20 inches and it's only $5.99. Another great limited time deal, this time from DeWalt. We have their 20-volt vacuum here. It's cordless, it's handheld. Now the battery is not included, which is great. So if you have the DeWalt batteries at home, you are good to go. This is a great discount, $99 even. And next up, another great discount from Samsung. We have their micro SD card, their Pro Plus. Now it does include a reader, which is great. You have the SD card, which you can pop into the reader. A nice discount here, $10 off, bringing the price down to $39.99. And now from Garmin, we have their dash cam, their Mini 3. This is their ultra compact 1080p HD dash cam. Check out the degree of field on this. Awesome. It does have a nice discount today as well. It's only $115.99. Another limited time deal, this time from KitchenAid. We have their 4-sided stainless steel grater. Now this grater does include a nice 3-cup storage container, which is awesome. Here it is, 48% savings today. It's only $13. Another great discount, this time from Corona. We have the lowest price in 30 days, a 45% savings on their 10-inch pruning saw. Now this saw has amazing reviews on it, works very well, $21.93. And check out this awesome deal from Champion. We have the men's classic long sleeve t-shirts and these are selling very, very fast. Make sure you pause the video, click the link and purchase one before they sell out. We also have big and tall sizes available at the same price, 70% off, only $9.14. And next up from Southwire, we have their 100-foot extension cord, a 12-gauge extension cord. Awesome deal, 38% savings, down to $53.25. Definitely a great deal. And if you're looking to add some books to your collection at home for your little ones, now's the time to buy it. Buy two, save 50% on one. What a great deal. We have so many different books to choose from. I am going to leave a link in the description that'll take you directly to this page so you can have a look yourself. And hopefully you did make it to this part of the video, friends. From Carhartt, we have their men's loose fit heavyweight t-shirts. Now these are their pocket t-shirts, a limited time deal. They're taking $5 off the price, bringing it down to $14.99. A fantastic deal. Now this is a good time to add the secret code for the giveaway. So let's pop that up right on the screen right here. The secret code is 2422566. Grab that code, enter it in the giveaway, and you will get an additional 3 entries. Another great limited time deal, this time on a lunch bag. It's a 23-liter capacity. This tote is amazing, great for both men and women. A limited time deal, but the only color available at this price point is this green color. But that's okay, I actually love it. 46% savings, only $17.31. And check out this awesome deal on a collapsible folding wagon cart. It's 150 liters, it's heavy duty, has all-terrain wheels. This is an awesome buy. Now check out that price, $73. I don't want to pay that, so I am going to leave you a 50% off coupon code in the description. It's going to get the price down to $36.50. Another great buy, the lowest price in 30 days for our little ones at home. We have the Tonka series. Now these are the Steel Classic series. Now these are very heavy duty. We have the Classic Bulldozer. Check out that price, only $13.97. We do have another variation at that price point. We have the Roller, same price, $13.97. Both of them excellent buys. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder and enter our giveaway. It's completely free. The link will be in the description. The link will be in the comment section. Thank you for the support. I very much appreciate it. Have a great weekend. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video at Costco. Peace.